we'll be reviewing Sugar. We were quite excited to use Sugar products. We have heard a lot about their lipsticks. So we went on the official website and found this amazing Daydreamer kit. So here today we are going to review the kit for you. The kit is worth rupees 99 and it has 5 products including a pouch. So it makes a total of 6 products. So starting off with the pouch of the Daydreamer kit, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty and it was one of the best pouches amongst all the kits that were on the website. So we went ahead with this kit and you can see, I'll just show you what it looks like from inside. This is what it looks like from inside. This is the back of the pouch. And it's a quite nice pouch if you want to carry your makeup. I think this is a good choice. Now we look at all the 5 cosmetic products that were inside the pouch. If we look at the prices of each product individually, they are quite costly because Sugar is a very sought after brand. So buying a kit is a better and smart choice because you get a lot of costly products in a limited price range, including a very nice pouch. So starting with the first product, this is the highlighter. There was a choice between the blush and the highlighter. So we already had a Lakme blush. So we decided to go with this highlighter. It comes in a very pretty packing, as you all can see. I'll show you. The color is Royal Rose number 04. It has this plastic cover to protect it, and I must say the packing is very impressive. Second product of this Daydreamer kit was this face mask. There were 2 face masks amongst which you had to choose one. So we chose this charcoal patrol face mask. We have not used this, but this is what it looks like. And I think it's like it has green tea, rich antioxidant coffee extracts and charcoal powder. So I believe that it's going to be a nice product, but I haven't used it yet. The next product is Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. These had a choice between black and purple. So I have a craze for colored liners. So I decided to go with the Purple Rain one, which is 02. I'll show you the product. This is the packaging and this is the product. This product is similar to other stick liners, but this one has to be sharpened. Next product is this Sugar Crayon Lipstick. The name is Matte as Hell 06 Coraline Jones. So this is what the packaging looks like, and the lip crayon is actually quite big. This is what the lip crayon looks like. It's quite thick and big. Yeah, it's like really nice as compared to the lip crayons of other products. This is something that I can surely say because you can see that the packaging looks so premium and so sturdy that proper protection is provided to the lip crayon, which is like very good. The next product from the Daydreamer kit was the Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner. The color is I'll Be Black. So I wanted a pen liner for a very long time and finally I got one in this kit. I'll be showing you the product. So it came in this box. The liner is quite beautiful and sturdy. It is a pen liner and we've used it. It's very pretty on the eyes and it's easy to use. These were the products that we ordered and we got a lot of things free with this. We were quite happy with our purchase. We'll be showing you the free things. The first free thing that we got was this.
We do not know why this came. This was not on the website. Like, they mentioned what free products they are going to give you, but this is not mentioned. This is, maybe this comes with every first order. That is what I am assuming, because this is a sugar pouch, and the back side it's written, rule the world one look at a time. And it also has like bubble wrap inside. This is what it looks like from the inside. It has bubble wrap, so maybe you can carry your fragile makeup stuff in this,
or maybe jewelry.
yeah, it's a good thing to have. So this was the first free thing which came very unexpectedly. The next thing was,
We got two sharpeners, so I am assuming that one is for the lip crayon and the other one is for the eyeliner, the purple one. If you buy these products separately, I assume that they are not cheap as compared to other brands, and
yeah.
I'm quite happy to have two of these, and it's very difficult to take this out.
We bought a sharpener from Lakme,
Yeah.
and if we compare that one to this one, this is like quite better.
And getting two sharpeners on the first purchase is like wow. It opens like this, and it also opens from the bottom. Yes, it is a three-piece sharpener, and we've got two of these. One is having a larger diameter and the other one is having a smaller diameter.
The next thing that we got free was this pouch.
Yeah, there was an option that we could choose between a silver one and a pink one, so we decided to go with this pink metallic one. It is made up of a very good stuff, the zip and everything. I'll show you. This is a very good free product. This was mentioned on the website. This was one product that was free, and there was another major product that was free.
So the final product that was free, and we waited for this very excitedly.
Yeah.
These are the sugar mini lipsticks. This is a pack of 4 mini lipsticks which was free on the purchase of
1200 and above.
There was an option to choose between a pink metallic box and a black metallic box, and we chose this one,
obviously.
so this is what the box looks like, and from the inside it's really pretty. These are the 4 sugar minis that we got free with this. We got a lot of stuff free actually.
Yeah, and the most excited we were was for this box. So the first one is very mulberry, and this is shade number 25. Sugar minis are very small. They are size of your small finger, and you know the quality of sugar products is amazing. You can see the bottle. It is so transparent and it is so beautiful.
The second one is Pink Sink number 39, and this is the second one. It's very small in size, however it's a free product, and anything free makes you happy.
So the next one is Hot Apricot number 37. I really love this color. This is a kind of a nude kind of shade with a pink tinge, and I really like this one.
So the last color with the sugar minis is Scarlet Starlet number 29. This is basically red liquid lipstick. So it's a basic red color which everyone uses. There's variety in their free stuff also.
They had mentioned some other shades on the website, but we are quite happy with what we have received. Also, I think there's one beautiful thing about sugar products. They all have matte finish. They actually look like premium products. I really like the body of the product. I'm very happy with my purchase and gonna try this very soon.
Also, what I liked about the website was that even in between the kit, you can choose what products you want in the kit. There is a lot of choice provided to the customers, which is a very good thing.
Got the product delivery within 3-4 days, which was very quick. We have almost got the double of what we ordered on Sugar. We got a lot of free stuff, unexpected stuff.
You can see that, on an order of 6 products, including that pouch, we got this free, this as well, with 2 sharpeners. So it's quite amazing, and it's a very new brand for us. We wanted to explore Sugar and we were really happy with what we received. So we hope you like this video
And do like, share,
and subscribe.
We'll be back with more makeup videos with new brands, whatever we explore. We are also learning. I hope you learn with us.
That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.